This is Kirchhoff's current law, or KCL. The current law states that the sum of the currents into a junction equals the sum of the currents out of the junction. We could put that mathematically like this. Sum of the currents in equals sum of the currents out. So here I've got a junction. It's got 4 connections. 2 amps coming down from the top, 5 amps coming in from the left, 6 amps coming up from beneath, and an unknown current flowing out on the right. So we could put that into an equation. The currents flowing in are 5 amps plus 2 amps plus 6 amps for a total of 13 amps. And the current flowing out must equal the current flowing in. So the current flowing out is 13 amps. What if I turn the arrow around? Well then, the current out is 0 amps because there's no arrows pointing out. If we put the equation for the current in, then we've got 5 amps plus 2 amps plus 6 amps plus an unknown is 0 amps. Therefore, the unknown is minus 13 amps, or 13 amps flowing in the opposite direction to the arrow. Because if we've got 13 amps flowing into a junction, we must have 13 amps flowing out of the junction. It has to go somewhere. So in this case, even though we drew the arrow pointing in, the answer was minus 13, therefore the opposite direction to the arrow, 13 amps flowing out.